Hi all, let's see div element in HTML. The div element in HTML is a generic container used to group and organize content. That means it's used as a container of other HTML elements. For example, consider we have a section about mountains in our web page. In that section, if we have multiple subsections like mountain hiking, mountain wildlife, mountain climates like this, we can gather this together and organize into div element like this. And what is the use if we organize content into div element like this? Let's see. It's easier to apply styling or JavaScript functionality to particular section if we use div element. Let's see practically. In our index.html file, let's paste the content without div element, heading, subsections. Let's apply style to these elements. Let's change the color to each element. For understanding, here I am using internal styling. Let's copy and replace. Here for each element, here applied style. Let's go to browser and check. See, now let's add div element and wrap this contents. Instead of applying each element, let's add div. Let's remove this. Let's go to browser and check. See, the style applied to the content which wrapped inside div successfully. Here, instead of applying style to each element, by using div, we applied common styles to this section. Not only styling, we can apply common JavaScript functionality and many things we can do using div element that we will see in our upcoming video. Now, let's see some more stylings in div element. By default, div element is a block element, meaning that it always starts in new line like paragraph we already saw in paragraph video. And also div element takes all available within page. Let's see. Let's add background color for understanding. Let's save. Let's go to browser and check. Let's refresh. See, it's take full width in page. It's a block level element so that it leaves space before and after that element content. Now let's reduce the width. Let's add 450 pixel. Let's go to browser and check. See, the content also wrapped inside div. Now let's bring this section into center. For that, we have to add margin, auto. Let's refresh. See, you can place the div element in page wherever you want. Here we added only one div element. A page can have multiple div elements. Let's separate. Now we have 3 divs. Let's add background color to each div. Let's go to browser and check. See, now each div we added background color. Usually div element starts in new line because it's a block element. By using CSS float and display property, we can align div elements side by side. Let's see. Let's remove this background color because we already set using inline styling. Let's assign each div width as 33%. We want each div side by side, so let's remove margin. By using float property, we set from left we want side by side, so left. Let's go to browser and check. See, each div aligned side by side. By using display property, we can align div in more styles. Each we will see in our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.